Today in this video, I will paint a stunning looking night scenery. For this painting I'm using Montmartre acrylic colors, but you can use your preferred acrylic brand. And my canvas size in 8x8 inch. So, hi guys, my name is Ria and you are watching Art Glean. As usually I began with light colors, using Viridian and Cerulean blue. Next, I gradually mix deep cyan into cerulean blue, blending carefully for a smooth gradient. If you notice your paint drying too quickly during this process, simply add a small amount of water to maintain the desired consistency. Finally, I'm finishing the sky with darkest shade, Phthalo blue. I'm using number 6 dagger brush. This brush is perfect for blending colors seamlessly and creating a stunning, gradient-colored sky background. Feel free to experiment and adjust your palette as needed. If you require additional colors to achieve your desired effect, don't hesitate to add them. Continue refining your artwork until you are satisfied with the result. Now I will paint a Milky Way effect. For this I'm using a foam brush. This time I started with the darkest color Phthalo blue for base layer. This layer represents the center of our Milky Way. Do not use water in this process, just apply the colors softly. Next, I paint the outer part of the Milky Way using a lighter shade of blue, cerulean blue. Softly applying it and gradating it outwards towards the outer edges. Now, I mix cerulean blue with a small amount of titanium white to create a lighter shade to define the Milky Way structure. To introduce natural color variations in the sky, I blend Viridian, cerulean blue, and titanium white, achieving a subtle, multi-tonal effect. Next, I switch to a number 2 round brush to repeat the process, focusing on precise color placement and blending, repeating the process for enhanced details. Finally, I paint the Milky Way's highlights using a mix of titanium white and a hint of cerulean blue. I carefully paint the highlight areas of the Milky Way, illuminating the Milky Way's majestic beauty. Next, mix titanium white with little bit of water. Flick and splatter the mixture to create a multitude of stars scattered throughout the sky. Next, use a dry brush to apply titanium white, subtly building a soft glow around the stars. I paint a shooting star, streaking across the sky with titanium white. Now I'm painting a house with a terrace using black, adding depth and silhouette. Then I add a small room on the roof, using same black paint. Next, with gentle brush strokes, paint a girl sitting alone on the roof. Lost in thought, gazing at the stars. I paint a cat sitting beside her. After that, I paint electric poles. Painting wires using fine brush. Mix burnt sienna and titanium white, then paint subtle highlights onto the girl's hair. Same way I add highlights to her garment's folds and creases using a soft brush. Apply titanium white and burnt sienna mix with a fine brush, tracing architectural lines. Finally, paint the window's glass surface, reflecting the sky's hues. Hope you enjoyed this painting video with step-by-step commentary. Let me know what you thought of this painting video in the comments. Subscribe my channel, I will introduce more such video like this. Let's remove all the masking tape one by one. And our painting is ready. Share this video with your friends. Let's paint together next time. You can watch my other painting video, click here. Thanks for watching.